Hi everyone, Tony Lizzi here inside the brand new 280 RS Reflection 150 series. We're extremely excited about how this floor plan turned out. It may look familiar to some of you as we took our old 29 RS and just brought it into the 150 series platform. In doing so, we were able to save 325 pounds in the dry weight and roughly 230 pounds in hitch weight. So some of the things that consumers love about this floor plan is the fact that it's 30 foot 11 inches in overall length. And while that is an efficient length, you are still getting the nice big trifold sofa across the back. You're getting the theater seating, which is positioned intentionally right across from the television, and your fireplace give you a nice living room setting. And you get the freestanding table and chairs, which we're still having your storage in the seats, and of course the removable storage ottoman over here, which allows for you to move the seat. You can set it in front of the trifold sofa, and then if you want to, pull one chair right around this corner. So in a unit of this size, too, what's also nice is the amount of countertop space that you do get. You have a nice large kitchen island here with our single basin sink. You're going to have your hutch over here for added countertop space with your 110 outlets down below. Great area for coffee pot, margarita machines, any other appliance that you might want to have sitting out. And again, an abundance of storage wherever we can maximize it. The bathroom in the 280 RS features a full shower with glass door. It's got a couple of our updates here with the shower caddy for additional space, body wash, shampoo, any other needs that you might have. We also have the larger sink that we went to recently here based on consumer feedback. Ones before was a little bit more shallow. You see you got good countertop space, 3 drawers, storage below the sink. You're also going to have a medicine cabinet over the sink and an additional linen closet above the toilet. Also features our motion sensor light. Inside the bedroom of the new 280 RS, a lot of compliments we get from consumers is the ceiling height. Traditionally, several inches taller than what a lot of our competitors have with a more aggressive front profile. Just makes it feel more open in here, and we couple that with the nice large picture window on the door side of the camper. You may notice through here you got your nice solid pocket door. You're going to have your linen closet with 4 drawers, which is great for socks and underwear. You're going to have nightstand on both sides of the bed, provides you area for CPAP machines. The shelf above the bed is great for reading glasses, glass of water, books, and you can see there is a USB charging station up there.